Have you ever just drove? Have you ever just threw the car in drive, turned the radio off, and just let your body drive the car? Have you ever done that? I've traveled this road so many times, and I'd hate to admit it, but my brain was doing so much thinking that I totally forgot even driving here. I was really thinking about this new body style GMC Sierra, about how it hasn't been selling quite as much as we would like. You see, in 2007, I was selling strictly Chevrolet. And if you remember right, at that time, General Motors, they brought out a brand new body style Chevrolet Silverado. General Motors had a thing called a ride and drive. Basically, you get to go drive the new trucks, the new cars, before the public, before they even come out. What I saw there forever sticks in my mind. I'll never forget about that day, that ride and drive. Let me show you what I saw that day. So what does this have to do with the new body style truck? General Motors, they no longer do these little hype meetings. They stopped doing the ride and drives a couple years ago, and with that said, the salespeople, they really don't know anything more about the trucks than the consumers until they actually get here. The theory that I have is the newness of the new body style truck, it's kind of wearing off a little bit. And us salespeople, we didn't have that warm and fuzzy from General Motors like we had in the past. So that's one reason why I believe the new body style truck doesn't have quite as much traction as what maybe the old body styles did. I don't believe that I could ethically say the reason why we're not selling these trucks is because the price is too high. At the end of the day, it's on us. It's on us as salespeople to sell the product that they're giving us at the price that they're asking. I do think that consumers, I think they get a little bit of sticker shock whenever they come out here and they see the prices of these new trucks because, let's face it, they are expensive. If you are a salesman at a GMC dealership and you're watching this video right now, I would really like to know, have you been selling the new body style trucks? Have you been selling them? I almost ended it right there. I almost just wrapped the video up and we were almost done, but I told you 3 reasons, so let's knock out this 3rd reason real quick. For this last thing, guys, I think anytime something new comes out, it takes a little while to adjust. We gotta get used to the new, if that makes sense. I've heard customers say that they believe that the front ends of these trucks are just too big. They've said that the beds are too small, and that the wheels are ugly. For all of you guys that don't know me, my name's Cody Reed. Every single week I'm giving you guys new videos. Please consider hitting that subscribe button. I really appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys later. Bye.